Welcome. Today I am with JBL T460 Bluetooth headphones, and I'll show you how you can pair them with your Apple Watch. So at the first we have to go for our Apple Watch settings. We have to go for the Bluetooth settings. We have to enable Bluetooth by tapping on this switcher, and after that we have to move to our headphones. We have to click and hold the power button for a few seconds until our device turns on. Keep holding. When this white icon turns to the blue, we can release. Right now, the headphones are in the pairing mode, so we will find them right here on the available devices list. We'll tap on them once. We will be connected after a few moments. Take a look. We are connected successfully, and of course I'm gonna show you that everything is fine, and I'm gonna play the music by using my watch. As you can see and as you can hear, everything is fine. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe.